Hello beautiful bugs, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. My name is Brooke. Today we are going back into our roots and we are doing another makeup tutorial. I know you can tell by the title, but I'm very excited because I feel like I haven't done a makeup tutorial in so long. And today we are doing something very extra and I'm very excited, obviously. If you've been following my channel the past month, you will see that I have been doing reviews and a lot of dad-related videos. But like I said, we are back with a makeup tutorial. And since we are being nostalgic today and going back to our roots, I just wanted to put a little disclaimer out there and say, on my channel, we have absolutely no rules, especially when it comes to makeup. I always have a color scheme picked out in mind, but I never actually know what's going on my lid. With that being said, let's jump into the video. And of course, today we are going to be using the Morphe X James Charles palette, just because it has absolutely beautiful shades and a whole rainbow. And I'm going for like a sunset music festival neon lights vibe today. Like, we're going to use all bright, beautiful colors today. I'm very excited and I really hope I can pull it off.
Okay, my beautiful bugs, first step, we are going to remove our glasses and prime our eyes with concealer. I'm using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the shade Alabaster. And of course, blending that out with my beauty blender. I am taking regular Scotch tape. Please do not use duct tape. And we are going to create a straight edge for our eyeshadow. I am taking this small packing brush by Morphe, I wish I had a number, and this bright yellow from the James Charles palette. And I am just packing that right above my crease. The area that I am putting this in is called your crease contour. And I am just packing that in right in the middle. On the same brush, we are taking this muted yellow from the same palette, and we are just packing that along the edges of the bright yellow that we just put down to diffuse the edges without touching the middle. None of these brushes have names, but I'm taking a non-fluffy crease brush from Morphe and the bright orange from the James Charles palette. And we are first blending this orange with the yellow that we put down so we don't have any harsh edges. And we are putting that all around the yellow. Both sides of the eye, inner corner and outer corner, and of course on the brow bone as well. I'm using small swiping motions to blend this out. I really liked how the brush works, so I'm using it again, and I'm taking this bright pink and again, putting that around the orange, first blending it with the orange with small swiping motions, and then slowly fading that out into my brow bone and closer to the tape that we put down to create a wing effect. You can see I'm using the slightest hand motions. I'm being so gentle. Don't stab your eye out, it's unnecessary. As I get closer to where I want the pink to stop, I'm using small circular motions to blend that out and make sure there's no harsh edges. On a similar brush, I am taking this lavender dark purple and I am putting that on the outer corner of my crease contour where we are diffusing the pink and purple together and really blending that, and also creating our wing effect with our tape. Also packing this purple into the front of my crease contour. I brought this pretty far forward. It's actually further than my natural brow, but you do as you please, you know?
The blend is not too shabby, and not too shabby at all. I like it. I look crazy, but I like it. I like looking crazy.
Taking a flat packing brush, we are going to cut our crease. I always put concealer on the center of my eyelid, and then I look up and do some crazy eyes to see where my natural cut crease line is. just so I don't mess it up and just so it's even on both sides. I think this is a great technique. It really shows you where your crease line is and your makeup won't mess up. It won't crease, if you know what I mean, especially if you're doing like a glitter cut crease or a light colored cut crease. You really want to make sure that your concealer that you're putting down for your cut crease is absolutely perfect and that there are no spots or lines in it. If so, you might have a patchy application for your eyeshadow. I am also cleaning up the inner corner of my eye, not forgetting the purple that I put all the way in the front of my eye near my brow. Taking a white liquid eyeliner, I'm using the NYX white liquid eyeliner. This eyeliner is okay. I wouldn't say it's a 10 out of 10. I would definitely give it like a 5 out of 10, maybe a 7 if I'm feeling good. It's kind of crackly, but you know, I would just get a different liner. Anyways, I am just doing the smallest strokes to outline the cut crease that we just did with concealer, and we are outlining it with white. I am really taking this liner pretty far. I'm kind of creating a box around my cut crease.
Damn, I'm killing it right now. Like, I'm so focused. I don't know how I'm doing this. I've never done a look like this before, and I've never been able to do eyeliner on my crease.
Now I'm just literally repeating the same exact steps that I did on our crease contour with the same exact brushes and the same exact colors, same exact way. Packing that bright yellow in the center of our lid and diffusing it with the lighter yellow. And of course, now going in with the bright orange and diffusing the edges between the yellow and the new orange, and just creating a nice gradient on both sides of my lid. I'm using small swiping motions up and down my lid to create a nice gradient. Now we are taking the hot pink and blending that on our outer corner. This is the last color on our outer corner. Also putting the same hot pink in my inner corner. I really went in on my inner corner. I wanted you to be able to see it from outer space. I wanted it to look like a bird. I wanted it to look like an avatar. You know, I just wanted to make it real extra like I always do for you guys. Taking an angled brush and dipping into the dark purple in the James Charles palette, we are creating our eyeliner with this dark purple eyeshadow. I am not doing this eyeliner too thick. I am keeping it right under the white liner we put down. To get my lash line very saturated, I just pushed in the product to my lash line with the brush. Now onto the rest of my face. Jeez, I scared myself. I look like a damn alien. Anyways, now taking the dark purple again and spooling through my brows with my spoolie. And we are going to do our brows with this dark purple. Something different, you know. Sometimes we just need to change our brow color completely, you know. Sometimes we need some red brows, green brows, purple brows. Any color you want. It's your brows. Do whatever. Now it is time to take our Q-tips and do our lower lash line. I am first taking the bright yellow on a Q-tip and we are putting that directly into our waterline. Yes, you can put eyeshadow in your waterline as if it was an eyeliner. On another Q-tip, taking the bright orange from earlier and putting that in the center of our lower lash line. We are going to create a semi-gradient in a second. Now taking the hot pink and we are putting that on the outer corner of our lower lash line and really smoking that out with a straight edge as possible, kind of as close to our eyeshadow as possible. I feel like that made no sense. Just put it in your outer corner of your lower lash line. And to give it a nice blend, I am going to take this fluffy blending brush and diffuse the pink that we just put down on our lower lash line on the outer corner. Our final eyeshadow, this dark lavender purple on a Q-tip, and we are putting that on our inner corner of our lash line, and we're creating a inner corner cat eye. Applying purple mascara to my bottom lashes only. This is the Maybelline Snapscara mascara in purple. And adding some fake lashes, of course, and we are done. Yes, girl, look how bright we are.
What do you guys think? This is the finished look. It's not too bad. I actually really like it. I think it's different. It's giving me Miami Music Festival, neon lights, sunset vibes, you know? I really like it. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can also click the bell icon down below to get notified every time I post a new video. See you guys next time.